Cosmic Wanderer, this is Mission Control. In front of you, you can see the planet Mars, one of Earth's closest planetary neighbors. All telemetry is green. Systems are stable. You are cleared for descent. As you approach the planet, both of Mars' moons come into view on your right. Deimos, Phobos. Two small moons, locked in orbit around the red planet. Billions of years ago, Mars may have looked much more like Earth than it does today. Ancient rivers once flowed across its surface. Lakes may have filled wide basins, and liquid water may once have existed under a thicker atmosphere. Some scientists believe that early Mars may even have had the basic conditions needed to support microbial life, not complex life, not forests or oceans as we know them, but the possibility that this planet was once more active, more dynamic, and far less hostile than it is today. Two of the planet's most famous features become visible. To your left, Valles Marineris, the largest canyon in the solar system, a gigantic scar on the surface of Mars, stretching for thousands of kilometers, nearly the width of the United States. To your right, Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, a massive volcano nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and so wide it is almost the size of France. Over billions of years, Mars underwent a dramatic transformation. It lost much of its atmosphere. Temperatures fell. Liquid water could no longer remain stable on the surface. And the planet slowly became the cold, dry, and hostile world we know today. Yet even in its silence, Mars continues to fascinate scientists and explorers alike. Because every canyon, every plain, and every layer of rock may hold clues about how this world formed, how it changed, and whether it may once have supported life. You are falling faster now than you would on Earth. Mars has less gravity than Earth, but its atmosphere is extremely thin, so it does very little to slow your fall. It has only about 1% of the density of Earth's atmosphere. You pass through thin clouds high above the planet. Some are made of frozen carbon dioxide. Others, though more rare, are made of water ice. Dust storms are very common here. Some cover only small areas. Others grow so large that they can cover the entire planet. You have reached the surface of Mars. The ground below is ancient, silent, and untouched by human footsteps. A world of red dust, broken rock, and empty horizons. You move into Valles Marineris, the largest canyon in the solar system. It is far longer, far wider, and far deeper than the Grand Canyon on Earth. Its cliffs drop thousands of meters into the ground below. The scale is so enormous that it feels less like a canyon and more like a crack across an entire world. And if you know where to look, you may find signs that humanity has already been here. An old friend, now silent, Spirit rover. Spirit landed on Mars in 2004 and was originally expected to operate for just 90 days. Instead, it continued exploring the planet for more than 6 years. Long after its planned mission had ended, Spirit kept sending back discoveries that helped transform our understanding of Mars. Now it rests where it made its final discoveries, a lasting reminder of how far human curiosity can travel. And speaking of curiosity, there's another friend here that is still active today. Curiosity rover. Still exploring, still climbing, drilling, and analyzing the Martian surface. Still helping scientists understand the history of this planet, one discovery at a time. Standing here on the surface of Mars, it is impossible not to wonder what this planet might become in the distant future. For decades, scientists and dreamers have imagined the idea of terraforming Mars, slowly transforming it into a world more suitable for human life. A warmer planet, a thicker atmosphere. Perhaps one day, even liquid water once again on the surface. But for now, that vision remains far beyond our reach. Mars is still a harsh and unforgiving world, cold, dry, and exposed to radiation beneath a sky too thin to support life as we know it. It is not just a distant world of dust and stone, but a place that forces us to imagine the future. A world where one day, human footsteps may become as common as the tracks left behind by our robotic explorers. Mars is more than just another planet in the sky. It is a world that preserves the story of deep time, of volcanic power, vanished water, and a climate that changed on a planetary scale. More than any other world beyond Earth, Mars gives us a chance to look into the past and ask one of humanity's biggest questions. Could life have existed somewhere else in the solar system? And as you take one final look, Mars reveals itself not just as a destination, but as a world with a story still waiting to be fully understood. Cosmic Wanderer, this mission was a success. Prepare yourself. Other adventures are already waiting for you among the stars.